Hello friend, welcome to BIM ALL. Today I am at a small residential building to show you how the MEP services install at site in the UAE. So here you can see there you can find the services like water supply, drainage, fire and cable tray. So let's start. First of all, I would like to show you the connection coming out from toilets. Here see the toilets, like there is a flow drain, flow tribe, having a connection of like wash basin and the main drain. Thereafter there is a soil pipe connection that is coming directly from the water closet, that will be of like 110 dia, and for the waste pipe, which is like flow tribe connection, is will be of 75. These are like connecting. See, there is a eccentric reducer as well and a Y fitting. You can find how the connection has been done. The cable tray is dropping at the riser. Thereafter, let me show you this 110 soil pipe and waste pipe is connecting with 180 mm main header soil and waste pipe connection. There you can find in the fire pipe connection there is a mechanical key and the sprinkler, which are like upright sprinkler, because this is a parking zone area. Now let me follow you around this. Easily follow the connection and the services installed. The main thing I would like to show you that there is another connection, like it is having a connection with the fire cabinet. Apart from that, the cable tray connection is like there is no bend coming directly vertically down. Everywhere there will be like a angle of 45, 30 and 22. You can also find there is a green color pipe, which is actually a water supply pipe. I would like to show you zone control valve. This is nothing but a zone control valve which is connecting with the riser. Going to the riser. Again, it's collecting the waste from the toilet, and the main pipe is going to the riser. That is the riser, which is very close to the column. And here one more thing I would like to show you, that this how the zone control valve actually fitted at site. Have a look. This is the riser, a shaft.